Hello, my name is Sizhe Gao.
Hello, my name is Yuanling.
So this is our 5725 final design project. The name is Exploration Car. So we designed it since we hope it to replace humans to work under some dangerous situations which is not suitable for people to work around. And it can go into the unknown situations, detect the unknown environments, and it can stream back the videos to our laptop, use the Wi-Fi connections. And in our project, we use two Pis. So this one is the Pi 3 in my card, and that one is the Pi 4.
Yes, the Pi 4 in my hand is used to achieve the function of hand gesture recognition with Pi camera, and we also use the Wi-Fi communication to send the hand gesture information to the exploration car, so we can control this car using our hand.
So, and we also have the servo over here. So the control of the servo is also sent from the Pi 4s. We will use the WASD to control it move up, down, left, and right to detect the environments.
Here is our base station. We use this camera to detect our hand gesture. We wave our hand left and right to control the directions. And we overlap the thumb and little finger to stop. The WASD on keyboard will control the servo to turn around. The video will stream back to our laptop. Here is the performance of servo on the car.